recently asked by a subscriber what the best thing is to use to keep your trees, your wire bonsai trees, from wobbling on the bases. And it's a very quick fix. Whether it's on wood or a little ceramic pedestal or these rocks, it's always better to have something placed on the bottom to keep your bonsai trees from scratching the surface that they're going to be resting on, especially rocks. You can use, for your larger pieces, these felt stool and chair leg protectors. They're self-adhesive, and you would put these basically on the bottom of each leg of your chair. And you can also place them under these to keep it from wobbling and protecting your furniture. You can also use, for your smaller pieces, these rubber bumpers. It's made of silicone, and basically what these are used for is to protect surfaces, mainly your cabinets when you're closing them, so it doesn't slam onto the wood. So I'll show you how to apply it real quickly. It's real simple. I usually don't just depend on the adhesive that it's manufactured with, because sometimes it doesn't always completely stick. So I will add a dab of my Gorilla Glue clear gel. And you can pretty much tell where it's going to need to go. So I'm going to place that one right there. And this is definitely going to need 4 of them. So it's kind of level, and it's not going to scratch the surface. And if it wobbles, we'll just keep adjusting. And perfect. It's not scratching the surface. It's no longer wobbling. And all you have to do now is just let this dry. So we'll set that one aside. And this bigger, heavier piece, it's definitely heavy and would do some serious damage on your wood. These are kind of a little big for this, but just to demonstrate what I was talking about, you can use smaller. And again, these are self-adhesive. Just put a little dab of the glue. Don't need a lot. And just go ahead and place it right on there. All right. No longer wobbling, and it will not scratch anything. Beautiful. Problem solved.